Scott Grove, AWFS, Red House Tools. I love this little place. You find these little gems, these little owners. So this is the owner, inventor, you know?
Yeah, one of the co-founders, yeah.
Awesome. And what are we calling this tool? I was watching demo the other day.
Yeah, this is our platform, the Easy Wings platform.
Okay, tell us about it.
So it's completely modular, but it's a material support platform, initially for miter saws. It connects to any year, make, model, size of saw, completely convertible. It works with a stand, without a stand, but this is the cool part.
The cool part, here it comes.
Right here, little T-slot. That simple, that easy.
Set up, break down, bring it to the job.
And on its own, it holds over 800 pounds.
Yeah, this looks heavy duty, and what I like about this is you've seen some of them where they just have a little wheel on one end, you know, and if the board folds up the wheel, the thing, this is heavy duty. This is like
airplane grade aluminum.
And this fence does some interesting stuff too, doesn't it? Come up and down and move around.
There's another cool aspect right over here. You can see it better. So, what we wanted to be able to do is make this adjustable, so you had zero clearance back fence as well on either side.
And it looks like you can add, so you're not committed to an 8 foot.
As you want.
What are these, 2 foot sections or something?
Exactly.
This is really, really nice.
Comes in a lot of different packages. We're doing discounts here for the show.
Okay.
And yeah.
And where are they getting find you? RedHouseTool.com?
RedHouseTools.com.
Awesome.
Cut safer, cut smarter.
There you go. Thanks, you.
Yeah,
Appreciate
thank you.
it. Left hand, there you go. Okay.